Welcome to Running in Circles with Heidi, aka Nest Pretty, which means making small choices every day. That adds up to a beautiful life. So I have in my mind this saying that I love. I have it on the sticky notes, right? It's this: action is identity. It's pretty simple, but it's pretty profound. In other words, you are what you do. Your actions add up to your results, good or bad, right? So I think here's a little example of this. It's so funny. This happened a long time ago. But my husband and I were doing an exercise program together, and it was one that you had to do, I think it was 90 days straight. So we didn't want to miss a day, and we had gone on a camping trip to the beach with our friends, and our friends had brought their friends. So of course we didn't want to miss our exercise streak that we were on, so we got up early in the morning and we found a quiet, isolated place behind bushes, and we were doing the exercise program. So the friends of our friends were like, "What are your friends doing?" "They're behind bushes jumping." And our friends were like, "Oh yeah, they're doing their exercise. They don't want to mess up their streak." So our friends say that their friends always talk about their friends jumping behind the bushes. So like they saw just a little snippet of our life, like this big, and that has become our identity of the weirdos jumping behind the bushes. Which, I mean, that's okay, I'll take it. Because we were committed, we did the exercise program, and it was really beneficial for both Judah and I. So it's just one example of how your actions can become your identity. Even if it's just for a little tiny snippet of your life. a little 90-day run. So I've been thinking about that this morning because I had a huge realization actually just this morning as I was writing my weekly email to my friends. And if you're not on my email list and you'd like to hear more about the insights, that's where I share them, usually on Tuesday morning. So just raise your hand if you want to get that email. If you enjoy running in circles, then you'll be tripping excited to get this email. So just raise your hand. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty, and I've been working on, I'm always thinking about my identity and what my actions are adding up to. And so getting ready to do my exercise on Monday morning is part of that. Also, being the type of couple that walks on the beach on Sundays is part of that. And then all of the other little decisions that we make throughout the week is all part of that. Also part of that is last night Judah and I downloaded that program that we had done so long ago, and we did it this morning. And it's so interesting when the instructor started talking. Judah, he smelled the smells. He went right back to where we were, where we used to do this exercise program all the time at 5 o'clock in the morning with other crazy people. And it reminded me of jumping in the bushes at the beach on our camping trip. So actions is identity. It's my thought for you for today. It's pretty deep, it's pretty profound, and it's pretty like, what are my actions saying about me? I hope you have a fantastic day running in circles, which is all about making, one baby step at a time toward your goals. That's how you do it. That's how you reach your goals. Top of the mountain, one step at a time. So I hope that this little thought gives you something to think about and consider. And I hope you have a fantastic day as you make small choices that add up to a beautiful life and how your actions become your identity.